So one thing that might be helpful for you when you're making your own videos or even using other people's videos is to create a playlist. So for example, you want to click on your name up here in the upper right, go to Video Manager, and then off here to the left you see Playlists. And if you want to create a new playlist, you just come right up here, click on New Playlist, give it a title. We're going to say History and Art. And then I'm going to, if you want to put a description here, you can. That's up to you. If that's helpful for your class to know what this playlist is for, then you just click Create Playlist. And then here it is at the top. Now currently, this playlist has no videos. Just so you know, over here at the right we have this option of public versus unlisted versus private. The difference between these, public, anybody could search YouTube and find this if they wanted to. Unlisted means that it won't be searchable, but you can give anybody you want the link to this and then they'd be able to find it. So it'll still be on YouTube and accessible to someone with the link if you've given it to them, but it won't be public in that people can search for it. And then private means no one can see it except you. So this is private might be something that's good if you're just working on something, you're not ready for the students to see it yet or something like that, you can do private. If you're concerned about other people seeing it, you can do unlisted, and that way only students you give the link to can have it. And then public is honestly what I use. I think it's, it's not really a problem for anybody to see it if they want to. So then after that, you'll need to add some videos to this list. You can do that by going to your uploads if you want to. If you want to add your own videos, for example, I can go back up here, click on this, click on Video Manager, then go to Uploads is what automatically comes up. So this is all my videos. So perhaps I want these last 3 videos to go in that playlist. So I click on them, then go to Playlists, and just highlight the one I want them to be in. This one's checked, PD making videos, because it's already in that one. But if I also want them in my new one, the History and Art, I just click on that. And you can see now there are 3 videos in that because I added 3 videos to it. So now if I go back to Playlists and I click on History and Art, I see all 3 of these are here. Now, I may want these to be in a very specific order. Notice using Cam Studio Part 1 and using Cam Studio Part 2 are not together, and maybe I'd like them to be. To fix that, I go to Edit Playlist, and then basically I've decided I want using Cam Studio Part 1 to be the first one, using Cam Studio Part 2 to be the second one, and creating a YouTube channel to be last. So the simple thing to do is just click on Creating a YouTube Channel, go up to Actions, and tell it to move that one to the bottom. And then it does that. So you can only move them to the top or bottom. You can't simply move them up 1 or down 1. I'm not really sure why they did that, but just keep that in mind. But you can move to the top, move to the bottom, or you can remove it from the playlist. Now, to be clear, this does not delete the video from your YouTube account. It simply removes it from this playlist. The video will still be there in your uploads.